Hello everyone. So this is just a quick video on the DIY which I've done on my Honda CB350. It is regarding the front mudguard or fender. So as everyone know, it is very quite short compared to other bikes in our country. So it sprays all the slush and water towards the engine head, crank and gearbox and the silencer. It gets very messy after we go in rain or in such conditions. So what I've done is like I've attached this mud flap to the rear fender. I've drilled a hole here, added a stainless steel screw with a rubber washer to dampen any vibrations. And in order to do that, we have to remove this fender. You have to use 5 Allen keys and remove these two screws on either sides. You can find this Allen key inside the side box cover. You open it with the key. Here we have a side 5 Allen key which is used to remove the seat, so that can be used to remove the fender as well. So after removing, we have to drill a hole on 3 places to lock the mudguard in place, but I was not able to do that because I was using just a normal 600 rupees driller. It doesn't have that much power, or I think I didn't have that skill to drill it on this sort of hard fender. So after completion, I'll post another video. You have to take it to workshop or get another better driller, of course. So next thing is like I'll inform where I got this fender. So this is the fender of 2014 200 NS. So this is my brother's bike, and here you could see the similar fender which has been attached with 3 screws. So I got this for 66 rupees, and I placed it here. I got these stainless steel screws and washers from a local hardware shop. So these are the remaining 2 washers and screws for the either sides which I have not drilled a hole. So as you can see, these are let it focus. Okay, these are foam washers and stainless steel screws. So I've used them there. So after I fix it, I'll post another video on how they look after that. Currently they serve the purpose. So it has been 2 days since I've installed them, and I could see less number of slush being thrown away to the engine. Okay, thank you guys. That's it about the quick video.